Teeny Tiny Animals by Lexi Ryals. Some animals are big and some are small, but there are a few special animals that are teeny tiny. Some of them make good pets, but many live in the wild. A Chihuahua named Heaven Sent Brandy is the smallest dog in length in the entire world. She is only 6 inches from the tip of her nose to the end of her tail, and she weighs only 2 pounds. Kittens are always small, but Mr. Pebbles is smaller than most. He is full grown. Mr. Pebbles is one of the world's smallest cats. He only weighs 3 pounds. The world's smallest horse. Thumbelina is so tiny that she was named the world's smallest horse. Horses can weigh up to 1,000 pounds, but Thumbelina weighs only 57 pounds, smaller than a dog. Animal lovers in England can buy a very special animal, teacup pigs. These tiny animals grow to only be about 12 inches high. That's about the size of a small dog. These pigs are also very, very smart. Look how cute they are. The pygmy mouse lemur. They live in the trees of Madagascar. Their long, skinny toes and fingers make it easy to grab branches. They're about 8 inches long, including their thin tails. The pygmy marmoset monkey is the smallest monkeys in the world. They live in the rainforest in South America. These monkeys are only about 6 inches long, and they weigh about as much as a cupcake. The Monte Iberia eluth frogs are less than ½ an inch long. These little amphibians live in Cuba. They are so small that very few of them have ever been found. The Philippine tarsiers are best known for their large eyes. They're only about 5½ inches tall, but each of their eyes is over ½ an inch wide. This small animal weighs about as much as an orange, and they live in the Philippines. All hummingbirds are small, but the bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Bee hummingbirds live in Cuba, and they're only 2 inches long, about the size of a large paperclip. Pink fairy armadillos are about 6 inches long. Each one weighs about as much as a pear. They have pink shells and white fluffy fur on their sides. The pygmy seahorse. These tiny seahorses are only a little over ½ an inch long. Pygmy seahorses live in tropical coral reefs. They are tough to spot because they look like the coral they live in. The Barbados thread snake is the smallest snake in the world. Each tiny snake is about 4 inches long. They are as thick as a spaghetti noodle. These little reptiles live on the island of Barbados. And that is the end of Teeny Tiny Animals. Hope you liked it.